Guys, Brian back with the Enjin coin update here, Enjin token. I want to go over this with you guys real quick. I want to show you some very important price levels to watch out for, okay? And we're going to dig deeper into this here in a second. We had that wedge pattern that we broke out from. We hit our price target for that. We've broken that resistance up here. Let me put a line there. Resistance line, and I'm not going to get into this chart too much. We're going to get into that as soon as we get back here. I want to go over the market with you real quick, and if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button, guys. We would love to have you here every day. We do a giveaway at the end of every month. We just gave away 180 last week, and we would love to have you part of the team here. So got about 300 people in the group, and got a really great group started. So it's not about quantity, it's about quality, good people, and I believe we got a lot of great people in here, so come join us, please. You can see we got some red out there, and that's Bitcoin getting rejected from that 29,000. It keeps it hitting that and getting rejected, hitting it and get rejected. Once we get that breakout, and I totally believe we will, this market is just going to take off, okay? You can see Enjin is #1 gainer for the day. Finally broke out of resistance there, and that thing is starting to roll. The market cap is down 0.75% over 24 hours. Volume is up 6.09%. Bitcoin dominance is rising just a little bit, 0.16%. And on the crypto fear and greed indicator, we're at a 64 now, up one click from yesterday from a 63. Here's your top 100 coins. You can see Enjin up there at the top, and Filecoin. I cover Filecoin. But here I'll go down through these so you can see, if you want to freeze the frame, you can get a look at it there, but it ends here real shortly. There we go, there's the bottom. So you can see on the right hand side too, more, it's kind of been going sideways a lot here, this whole market, Enjin had that breakout, and if you don't mind, if I just show you really quick, I want to show you what I'm talking about with Bitcoin, because it's getting to a point here where something's going to break, and these RSIs for Bitcoin, if you're not aware of this, the Bitcoin runs this market. When this thing takes off, everything else takes off, all right? So if we look at these RSIs on Bitcoin, that 4-hour is right at that bottom. The 12-hour is at the bottom. And what that means, if you're not familiar with the relative strength index, it means this thing is way oversold, okay? When it gets to the top, it's way overbought, and it needs to cool off, okay? You can see over here when this thing reset down at the bottom there, if you follow that white dotted line, the price took off as it rose, all right? So you want them at the bottom, and these big hourly ones for Bitcoin are just about at the bottom. The daily is at the bottom, so look out. We break, keep an eye on 29,400. We get above that, and we got a run ahead of us here. So let's get back into Enjin here. I apologize. I just really think that that's important to show you, and we understand where we're at in this market. All right. Wow. Look at that. I didn't even see that. Look at that daily buy volume for Enjin. Holy cow. That is incredible. That's a big buy candle there. All right, that's on the daily chart. Let's break this down to the hourly. All right, you can see here, looks like our support line might be a little off there. Let's move it right there. Okay, lock that up. All right, and I've told you guys before, not financial advice at all, just a little bit of friendly advice. Don't buy green candles, okay? If you would have bought this thing way up there, it always pulls back to the breakout, all right? I mean, this thing could still come back down to 43 cent area, all right? And from this breakout here, it could come back down here, but right now it broke out of the 46 cent range. It shot up. We had a high of close to 50 cents, all right? It's come back, retested that now as support, all right? And on that 1 hour, let's look at these RSIs on this thing, because that's super important. The 4 is at the top, the 8 is getting near the top, and the 12 is getting near the top. So do not be surprised if we get a pullback here, okay? It's getting overbought, and if we put a Fibonacci on this whole move, okay, We are right at that 786. Wow. Super important level, okay? If you're familiar with Fibonacci retracement tool, you get to the 702. The 786 is the last Fibonacci line, okay? Then we would be looking at price targets up, the 57-cent area, all right? So keep an eye on the 0.502. We break that. And not financial advice at all, folks. I'm not a financial advisor. Please look to somebody qualified for that. I just show you what I see in these charts. I would expect us to come back and retest this high over here. Okay, so keep an eye. Like I said, we break 50.5 cents and look for it to retest that high at 56.7. So thank you so much, guys. I will keep an eye on this. Please hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you here. And if I don't talk to you, have a fantastic Easter. Have a safe holiday and enjoy your holiday with your family. Thank you so much.